people who live here sometimes 4 or 6 months of a year. And they have gone back north to tell their story about what we do for them down here. I was granted a special scholarship by the German government, and I went over there for 2 years and completed a whole fellowship in joint replacements and in back surgery. I belong to several international ones, such as American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons and American Association of Hip and Knee Surgeons.
With 4,000 plus surgeries and counting, meet Puerto Vallarta's top orthopedic surgeon.
My name is Dr. Max Greig. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. It's in the central west coast of Mexico. I was born and raised in Mexico. I grew up in this country, went to medical school here, and did all my undergraduate work in Mexico. Then I did a year of fellowship in sports medicine in Texas. I was granted a special scholarship by the German government, and I went over there for 2 years and completed a whole fellowship in joint replacements and in back surgery. I also belong to many of orthopedic associations. I belong to several international ones, such as American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons and American Association of Hip and Knee Surgeons and American Association of North America for arthroscopy surgeons. And I also belong to several of the Mexican Federation of Orthopedic Surgeons and to the local orthopedic group of orthopedic surgeons. I have been here practicing for many years, and I also have been a professor at the university. And I actually was one of the founders of a medical school and nursing school here in Puerto Vallarta. In our field of orthopedics, we take care of everything from the neck down. So I concentrate mainly in the major joints and shoulder issues, hip issues, or knee issues. Basically, with those kind of large joints, there can be anything from soft tissue damage to a total replacement of a joint. I also take care of spine issues, both in the neck area and also in the lower back. The nice thing about Puerto Vallarta is that we also have beautiful hospitals, a lot of doctors that can provide all kinds of care here. And we have been here for 25 years as an orthopedic surgeon. I started by treating people's joints and backs, people who live here sometimes 4 or 6 months of a year. And they have gone back north to tell their story about what we do for them down here. One of the things that we do a lot is we go to workshops and seminars and medical congresses to stay updated with the latest of techniques and latest of medical information, not only from the US, but also over in Europe. I just returned from a European trip where I got some training of what's the latest of techniques that are going on in Europe. So when patients come to us, we can offer the best of both worlds, the best of the American, Canadian medicine and the best of European medicine. So then we only follow very strict protocols of things that have been proven that work. We don't do any experimental type of procedures. Only procedures that have been proven with time, evidence-based medicine. So we only use things that have been proven by large trials, large universities that we know is going to be effective.
MTC is with you every step of the way. For your medical or dental trip, contact MTC today.